How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram, so tap on the account center option you see there, and now under the account settings tab, tap on the personal details option. You will then see the account ownership and control option. Tap on that and then tap on the deactivation or deletion option. Further, select the account that you want to delete and then tap on the Deactivate Account radio button and tap on the Continue option. Further, tap on Continue again and you will then be required to enter your password for security purpose. So, enter your account's password and tap on the Continue button, and if the password that you entered is correct, then your account will be processed for deactivation. So, this is how you can deactivate account on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.